Happy New Year! Hey everybody, this is Ben. Some of you now know me as Ben Believes, and I just want to say I love you. And I want to say, 2020 has been wild. For some of us, it's been the hardest year of our lives. We've lost people we've loved, we've been challenged emotionally and gone to dark places we've never been before. And for others, 2020 has been the most extraordinary year of our lives, because even though we've experienced pain and suffering, we've spent time growing and thriving and building, almost like being in a cocoon and growing wings, right? But wherever you are, 2021, today, and any day after that, is a new time to invite new love, new possibility into your life. So wherever you are, I want to just invite you to just be grateful. Know that you've done enough. You've done your very best. And can you let that be enough? If you know any men who could use support during this time, for those of you who've been watching me, I have a group called The Lion's Den, a 12-week program for 12 men, where we will be tackling courage, compassion, self-esteem, shame, self-sabotage, sex, money, family, and power, and vulnerability. Masculinity versus femininity, and why just for men, right? So I'm still gonna have groups for everybody, but that's been my calling. That's what I've seen as I've been coaching through this time. I'm still acting and playing music, but as I've been coaching through this time, I'm seeing that most of the people who are really coming forward are the men. The one who are most afraid to ask for help are the men. And the ones that are most afraid to talk about their feelings and don't feel like they have a space to gather are men. So for this, I have designed the Lion's Den. So there's a link right here. You can click on it to learn more. If there's any men in your life that you'd love to have be a part of it, do that. You can also join the Facebook group. Either way, whoever you are, wherever you are, if no one told you they love you today, I love you. Ben believes in you. And lastly, for those of you who have been seeing a little shift over the year, you've noticed that my coaching business has really thrived. And I love surfing. I'm going with the flow. So I'm surfing the waves, and this is where I'm finding myself able to be of service. So again, I want to remind you, I haven't stopped performing, but this is really a way that I feel called to step into my light, to my power, and help other people thrive during this time. If this is you and you feel called, you could use some support, some love, someone to remind you of your highest self on the darkest days, reach out to me and send yourself some love. You did it. You made it. This is an accomplishment. Yes. Yes, yes. And if you've ever seen my videos, you know I love to celebrate, because when you celebrate, you let the nervous system know, you reprogram your nervous system and your cells to say more of this, more joy, please. So wherever you are today, I invite you to just celebrate and spread the love. Peace.